no, it's raining. Oh my goodness. I'm so bored. This is a stupid video. It's just the clouds moving. Oh, there's a face! Like, okay, right? Here is the eye, and then here's the other eye, and then there's the, like, messed up nose or whatever. It's kind of like a cat, sort of. No, whatever. A cat with no ears. Yeah. Okay, that was a bad face. Never mind. Well, it's raining. Not under me, haha. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's raining a lot. I'm gonna, like, get over this. Okay. Oh my goodness, lots of rain. Okay. Camera. Okay. You can actually see it in the video now. Like, sort of. That's a big drop. Why is it getting closer to us? This video is so stupid. Okay, I'm gonna go. I feel like I'm in a cage, sort of. Because, like, it's up there and I'm sitting down. And the bars, no. They won't come off. Well, I'm gonna go inside. Yep, I'm gonna go inside. This video is stupid. Okay. I got a message. But, okay. Oh, clouds are pretty. Wow, I must be really bored. That kind of looks like it could turn into a tornado. But not really. Like, it's not going to because it's not swirling, but like the shape of it. Sorta. Never mind. Oh my goodness, it stopped raining. Like, all of a sudden. It's probably gonna rain a lot more though. Clouds. That looks cool in my camera. Okay. I'm gonna go now, I think. Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go. Okay, bye.